Okay. Remember, if you see usually, that is simple present tense. Do you remember simple present tense?
No.
Okay. Simple present tense is this. He, she, it, plus verb plus S. Example, Ken does his homework after dinner. Do you understand usually? What is usually? But do you understand usually? Okay. So, this one, we will add verb plus ES because it's do, right? So, Ken usually does his homework after dinner. Do you understand? Why? No, number 2.
My sister plans to play the piano every day.
B. My sister likes. Okay. Why? Why do you think it's likes? Because sister is she. What else? Only one. Hoka, look at the sentence. What else tells you that this is a simple present tense? What else? Every day. So, usually, every day, that's simple present tense. Remember that, okay? Next one, number 3.
He ran to the park yesterday.
Okay. C. Why C? Why went? We went to the park yesterday. Why went? Because of yesterday. Okay. Number 4.
You like some coffee?
B. Okay, good job. Would you like some coffee? Okay. Number 5.
They run soccer in the schoolyard now.